Well, the birds are out exercising this morning. They're just about to come down. We'll see if their trapping's improved. They've had a reasonable flogging from the peregrine this morning, but she left empty-handed, gave it about 5 or 6 minutes of her best shot, but as we all know, once they have a hit and keep hitting, they run out of petrol pretty quick to the peregrines. So these guys outflew them pretty well this morning, which is a bonus for them. It's better for them to have a bit of practice around the loft than cop it out on their first couple of tosses and just have to absolutely go into panic mode and end up all over the bloody state. You got to drive around all over South Australia and pick up friggin' pigeons. So these guys are handling it pretty well anyway. So they're lining it up to get down, so we shouldn't be long. Alright, well, enjoy these dudes, and we'll see if they trap a little bit better this morning. Enjoy the leaning loft. Sit back and watch the part we like best, and that's the arse going through the trap. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on. They flew well this morning. They were gone for about 40 minutes, didn't see them, so they've been out ranging. I let them out a little bit later to try and avoid the bloody falcon, but she got them when they come back from ranging, so whether they dragged her back from somewhere or she was hovering around here waiting, I'll never know. Who knows, they turn up out of nowhere. But it's starting to get a bit warm. It's going to be a 30-degree day here today. So not a bloody cloud in the sky, so it's perfect pigeon weather, but unfortunately the peregrines seem to think it's good weather too. Anyway, if only I had a gun, but unfortunately the bloody things are protected here, so even if I had a gun I wouldn't be able to do too much. What I need is a water pistol with a range of about 100 metres. If anyone knows one, give us a yell. Come on, come on. Come on. Come on. There's only so much tucker in there, guys. Last in's going to dip out. Come on. Come on. Come on. That's an hour 20 this morning, so I've got to be happy with that. A few of them are just panting a little bit, starting to get a bit warm up there. supposed to be having a bit of rain next week and the temperature dropping. Might be able to get out for a few of their first few tosses. That strutting cockbird, he's tried really hard, hasn't he? Come on. Come on. Come on, get in there. Come on. Come on. That's not bad. 5 out of 180 odd, so that's good. You bloody dog. Fall over you all the time, don't I? Getting in, having a feed and a drink. They look well enough. No, she's looking well, that in. Not too bad. I wonder how good it can fly. There's a Tassie looking straight at us. It's got a red ring on, that may be one of Burnsy's. Got a bit wobbly on the end here. The red pied down there in the trough eating is a Tassie. Dark checker up there is a Tassie. One of Willow's down there, the checker with the blue ring and the yellow marker, the tick eye. Come up quite nice. Looking for a drink, she's got a gutful. Anyway guys, as they come down after a fly, they're not looking too bad. These guys obviously aren't too hungry. Anyway, we'll sign off for now. Ciao.